In our research group, we bring together PhDs and senior researchers. We are also connected to our master's specialization. We study changing policies, practices, and imaginaries that shape culture and the creative industries. We explore how culture and creativity are organized, how, where, and by whom cultural services are experienced and consumed, and how political priorities influence people's opportunities to participate in cultural expressions. We take a critical perspective on the creative industries and highlight why culture is not just a market commodity, but an essential part of everyday life. The conditions under which culture is produced are strong indicators of democracy. Cultural workers and institutions benefit from knowledge about how culture can remain an integrated part of society. It is also important to focus on gender dimensions of creative labor. This is crucial for the rethinking empowerment and agency in the sector. PhD projects address independent cultural production, the role of creative hubs in culture-led urban development, and cultural perspectives within city planning. Management studies as competence management in museums are combined with policy studies focusing on Sweden in a broader European context. We investigate how cultural actors as service providers contribute to a sustainable public sphere through dialogue and community engagement. In other projects, we address the relationship between craft consumption and the commodification of care and creativity. We are doing fieldwork in a local area undergoing urban redevelopment. The result will be published in a special issue edited by the group. Using Ramlösa as a case, we examine how practices of care and creativity relate to place and space, and how these practices emerge and are negotiated and shaped by local context. Since the research field is still small in Sweden, many of our collaborations are international. We also coordinate CROCUS, Cultural Space and the Conditions of Creativity, an interdisciplinary strategic network at Lund University. CROCUS provides a platform for ongoing research and education with a focus on place, space, creative work, and creative methods. The network promotes methodological innovation and collaboration across artistic research, the social sciences, and the humanities. In a time of economic and political turbulence, research on the conditions for culture and creativity will remain crucial. New technologies, such as AI-driven tools, are transforming cultural sectors as, for example, fashion and film. These shifts also reshape how art and culture are consumed and how new business models evolve, often within complex networks that raise new ethical considerations. We are engaged in international networks and research focus on these developments. We emphasize the need for responsible innovation to ensure that AI and digital transformation in cultural and heritage contexts align with societal values and public trust.